Hey, what's this about? Are you okay?
I need you to sign a sale ticket for a client of mine.
Fuck, Seth. Let's fucking deal with this prick right now and get it over with.
Wait. Wait, Chris. I got arrested last night.
What?
The FBI arrested me.
The FBI? Why the fuck would the FBI arrest you?
Because of my involvement with the firm.
Your involvement with the firm? The fuck does that mean?
Come on, Chris, you know exactly what it means.
No, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? And what the fuck did you tell them?
No. They knew everything. They had tape recorded conversations. They had photographs. They brought my father in, you know? Chris, there was nothing I could do.
What did you do?
Chris, the FBI is going to raid this place in 20 minutes.
Fuck, Seth, what the fuck are you talking about?
Come on, man. I asked you for months about shit going down here, and you told me to shut the fuck up and get ready to be a millionaire.
That's right. Shut the fuck up. Man, that's all you had to do. Didn't you learn anything?
I learned how to fuck people out of their money. Harry Berner just lost his entire life savings, and he wasn't a whale. He was just some poor schmuck, and I took him. I did everything that JT Marlin told me to do, and I made up his mind for him.
What do you want me to tell you? That's what we do here.
We lie. We're liars.
Seth, yes, we lie. Who are they coming for?
They're coming for everybody. They're coming for everything.
You know how hard I work.
Come on, Chris, that doesn't mean shit right now. You can't be thinking about that. This moment right now is what you should be thinking about. What are you going to do in the next 15 minutes? They're going to come in here and they're going to make sure that we never trade another share of stocks in our lives again, okay? Hey, but there's something we can do.
Yeah, what's that?
Harry Benner, my client. I need a senior broker to sign this sell ticket so he can take his shares and dump them on the open market so he can make his money back. Just... Oh, come on, Chris. What difference does it make? Just do this one thing right here, please. Just sign it. Thanks, Chris. I'm sorry.